Welcome back. Well, if your dash or your inserts on your door panels or your overlays are looking pretty tired, you're looking for a solution, look no further than Coverlay. I'm here with Alicia, and I tell you what, we've had you on the show before. You wowed us with your perfect solution, taking an old, nasty, rotten, cracked dash, turning it into brand new in a matter of seconds, and now you have expanded your product line as well. Tell us a little bit about your company.
Okay, well, Coverlay Manufacturing has been in business for 36 years. We make over 400 different makes and models on an ongoing basis. So customers call in their ideas, and based on that, we make the product.
So the most popular ones get the models made, and am I correct? This is such an easy solution, not only for the jobber out there or the body shop, but even for the homeowner. They can make their body and their dash and their door panels look like brand new.
Yes, exactly. This is easy to install. It only takes about 30 minutes to install. Anyone can do it. It comes with the instructions and also the adhesive that you need.
And the end result is just beautiful, like you see here, and it's permanent, and it is seamless to the installation that you need for your make, model, and year. Now, as I mentioned, you do have inserts and door panels. Can we go take a look at those?
Sure, let's go.
So Alicia, behind us here we have a door from an '05 Mustang. It was looking kind of tired. They get really saggy, they get ripped, etc. And you have a really nice solution. Tell us how it works.
Yeah, so this is kind of the same concept as the dash cover. It's a plastic, ABS plastic, that goes over this where the droopiness was. Goes over. It also comes with the adhesive that you would need to install the product.
And it's that simple, and it looks seamless because it fits into all the seams around the door.
Exactly. We actually have one on it right now, but for customers to be able to see, like, hey, what is this? This is the cover that you get for it.
Now this is a Mustang, but you make it for different models as well.
Yes, we also make it for Volkswagen products.
Awesome. Now, companion to this is a whole door panel. Can we take a look at that?
Yeah, let's go look at it.
So Alicia, behind us here, we have two completed door panels, and this is an entire door panel. You do these for both Ford and some Chevy models?
Yes, along with other models. These are full replacement door panels. The dash covers are covers that go over the existing dashboard, but this is a replacement door panel, and we sell them as a set, so you get the pair.
Oh, awesome. Let me ask you this. How difficult is it to install these?
It's not very difficult at all. It comes with the instructions that you're going to need.
Okay.
It already comes with the weather strip, it comes with the armrest, and as you can see, this one already comes with the kick panel. And it also comes with the clips that you're going to need to install them.
So everything we need, including instructions. Somebody like me could even do this in a matter of a half an hour or so.
That is right. Someone like you can also install this in about a half an hour.
So we have solutions for dashes, we have solutions for panels, and now we have a solution for complete door panels as well. And Alicia, with that said right now, I know you have to have the attention. All of our viewers out there, what's the best way for them to learn more about Coverlay?
Okay, well, they can visit our website at coverlaymfg.com, or they can also visit any of our social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.
Awesome. Well, very good. Alicia, thank you so much for being on again.
Oh, thank you for having us.